What up, guys? Got another video coming on the CRV. So after a long 6-7 years, my dash cam is dead. So we're gonna be replacing that. So we're gonna be replacing our old dash cam, this thing that's hanging in the way, with the OEM fit and finish dash cam. It's from FITCAMX. So let's see what we got. It's gonna be plug and play. So let's check it out. So here's a box that it comes with, FITCAMX 4K Ultra HD, all neatly, tightly packaged. And let's get the content. User manual. So here's the main thing right here. This is gonna be the OEM dash cam. Got a wire, 2 wires sucked in, which is gonna piggyback into the car itself, which I'll show you. Comes with some tools, the rear dash cam, user manual. So let's go ahead and get this installed. Alright, first step's gonna be popping this off. Open this. All your junk out of here. And we got 2 screws in here we gotta take off. So here's one right here, and we got another one on the opposite side we'll take off. Next step, using our pry tool, we're gonna pop these off, the lights off. I don't want it to turn on, but that's okay. There we go. I can just turn this off manually. Gotta get both sides off. So we took these 2 screws off. Now we gotta take these 2, which are right here, and we'll get those off. After that, this will just slide out, and once you get it open, we got some wires we gotta unplug. So once you expose the back side of it, we got this one clip right here we gotta undo, which this one's gonna replace its place. And we have a Y here, so we're gonna plug this OEM one into here, and this will be our pickup for power for our dash cam. Next step, we gotta pop this off. There's a clip right here. Actually, this whole thing just comes off easily. This is just plastic clips all around, so we can use our tool to pry it off. This cover actually pops right off, the OEM cover. And this will come right out. So before we prop our FITCAM on, I'm gonna see if I can run the rear camera wire up here. To the rear camera wire, we're gonna run it through the headliner, come down here, and run it through the weather strip all the way back. So this is fairly easy to do also. You just tuck it in between here, and you don't even have to pull the weather strip off. If you pull it like this, you can stick it through there, and we'll go all the way through the back. Right, so now in the back, we're gonna continue through here, go all the way through the back seat, go around, come all the way up through there. And this is the back of my trunk's open, so let's continue just tucking it in. Alright guys, so we're all the way up to here, and we got this panel here, and we got a panel here that we can pull off. So using our pry tool that was provided, we're just gonna take this off. Everything is just clip on, so it comes off easy. we're gonna hide most of our wire up here and only pull what we need. So here we are in the trunk. I'll pull this panel off. It's all just push pin, so you just pull it, yank it, and it will come right out. So we're just gonna feed the wire through this grommet up here. So once you have the wire through, I'll put a coat hanger in there, which will come out of this side. And I'm gonna just use that to pull through the wire. And here we have it out. So we're gonna hook it up here. All right, now, so plugged in the rear dash cam. We're just gonna install it along this line right here in the middle. And there's a sticker in here that says this side facing up. This camera we can always rotate once we come back, so that's gonna be fine. Tuck all the rest of the wire in here, and we'll put our panel back on up here. We tucked all the excess wire up there, and we're just gonna push this panel back into place. So here's the back of the car. As you can see, camera right there. So it's perfect placement for it. Now let's go finish up the inside. Alright guys, we're back inside now. So here's our overhead light thing. We put our wire in there earlier. So that wire will come out right here. And this is the one for our rear camera that we ran all the way from the back. So that's right here. Now we just gotta hook up both of those wires to our actual dash cam, and we're actually done. So at this point you can go ahead and install the screws that we took off earlier back in here, and we'll snap our lens light back on, and it just pushes on. Mine are replaced with LED, that's why it's bright. So we're back on, screws are back on, so all this is secure. Now we just got to install the actual dash cam. All right, let's get these wires on. So this is the rear cam, and these are labeled. So this is rear cam. So plug our rear cam into rear cam. There we go. Line up the lines. Push that in. This is our actual power delivery to our dash cam. So we'll plug that in. So both of these are plugged in right now. Let's see, I might have the routing this way so we can tuck it in a little bit better. Now we just gotta snap everything back on. Wow. And that fits just like OEM. These are just snap clips that we pulled on. Now we just got to put the cover. Look at that. Back to OEM. And here's our dash cam. There's an SD card slot right there. We close that up, and there's a power down here. So let's get some power to the car, and we should have everything running right now. That was easy as that, guys. Fairly easy to install. It's actually easier than doing all the taps since it's directly plugged in. Everything is clean. This is 4K. The best part is you have an app so you can download all the videos. You don't have to turn anything on. When the car turns on, everything kicks on by itself. The camera lens do have a cover, so make sure to take that off. So it did the rear cam, it did the front. Everything's all tucked in nice, so let's power this up. So if you actually look at your instruction manual, there's an App Store QR code link you can use to download the app, so that will help you set up. And for reference, here's the view from the front. Here's our dash cam. So this is our fit. Looks very OEM. Alright guys, so when you scan the QR code, you can go to the App Store, download the app. Once you have the app downloaded, you have to connect to the actual camera's Wi-Fi. The password is in the book, the instruction manual. And once that's done, your camera is going to be live. As you can see here, front and rear cam. You can see it on the preview. I'm closing the trunk right here, so you can see me in the back right there. And all your files are downloaded here, and here's a preview of a drive, front cam and the rear cam right here. As you can see, the quality is really good. Also here I'm zooming in and you can read the number plates on this car. If you like this product, hit the subscribe button and also check out the link in the description. Till next time, guys.